So like I say, all the bugs like to land on me, and now the butterfly is on my hand. That's it. Look at that. I'm a salty guy, right? Hi, morning everyone. Richard here. Currently out in a new place. Actually, this place where they shoot the kingfisher, but I'm going inside where the forest is. I'm trying to shoot it from inside. So normally they shoot it from the outside, but I'm in the forest inside. It's a very nice place. Again, I'm feeding the mosquitoes. So hopefully I get to shoot some nice shots from here because it's lower. It's at the jetty, it's near the water. Let me show you. This is how it looks like. This is where the pier is. So it's very much lower to the water and closer to the birds. So hopefully I can. So normally they shoot from outside there, which is higher, but the sunlight is from this side, morning sunlight. So let's see if I can get any shots from here. But let's go hike around, and because the sun is not up yet and the birds are not here yet, so let me hike around and see what's the best spot to get the sunlight and a low-lying shot near the water. So very nice. You can come and hike here. It's open to public, but you need to pay $2 to come in, and it's until 2 p.m. They will stop people from coming in because it's a dark forest. They don't want people get stuck here. So if you go hike, you can come out later than 2 p.m. but going in, they stop you from going in after 2 p.m. because you won't get out by dark afterwards. It's too deep in. It's very nice. So just next to the lake. Gotta be a bit careful because the leaves are slippery, you see. So when you walk, you gotta be really careful. I wonder what birds are inside here because it's a dense forest here. Very nice. Let's try. Wow, it's slippery even on my shoe. Wow, gotta be careful here. Oh! Wow, it's very slippery. So be careful when coming here because even with my boots is slippery because the leaves, they leave some slippery stuff on the pavement. Okay, I'm gonna go back out to where the pier is so I can set up my camera there, and gotta be careful going down here because it's really slippery even with boots because when you steep angle and the pavement is not the soft type, it's the hard type. So rather they have proper cobblestone which has texture on it. This pretty smooth. I think throughout the years of people walking past, became smoother. Anyway, let's keep going and go back to where the pier is. I will set up. Oh wow, that's slippery. Wow, I don't recommend old folks come here. Even I'm having trouble. It's like if you slip and you go straight into the lake. Yeah. Because the leaves makes it very slippery. Anyway, let's go back to where the pier is and hook up, and hopefully the birds wake and they come by. So today, I've got hold of the Nikon 400mm f4.5 prime lens. This is a S lens, S line, which is top of the line. It's super light. It's 1.1 something kilos only. It's very, very light. It's even lighter than all the other lenses that I had before. And I love the 400 with the f4, similarly to f4 level, so it's f4.5 lens, which is exactly what I want for prime. So what I want is I'm using the Z6iii, which is why I tested it. The focusing is supremely fast. And what's interesting is I'm going to pair it with the 2x teleconverter when the sunlight is enough, because they'll give it in 800mm f9. So that's what I want to look at. So this will be my setup for today to try out. And the other birders are here. So anyway, so this is what I'm going to try out today. Okay, that's all. Hope you like the pictures and this video. And I'll just try out more with the 400 f4.5 with the 2x teleconverter. I need better sunlight because very gloomy today, very dark. So the ISO is above 10,000. So see you on the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.